Today's medical-centric topic is 7 nutrient deficiencies that are incredibly common. Nutrient deficiencies are more common than many realize. Here are 7 of the most prevalent deficiencies and their effects on health. 1. Iron. Iron deficiency is one of the most common nutritional deficiencies worldwide. It can lead to anemia, causing fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. Common sources of iron include red meat, beans, lentils, and fortified cereals. 2. Vitamin D. This deficiency is widespread, especially in areas with limited sunlight. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health and immune function. Symptoms include bone pain and muscle weakness. Sun exposure, fatty fish, and fortified dairy products are good sources. 3. Vitamin B12. Essential for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells, a B12 deficiency can cause anemia, fatigue, and neurological issues. It is commonly found in animal products like meat, dairy, and eggs, making vegetarians and vegans more susceptible. 4. Calcium. Critical for bone and teeth health, calcium deficiency can lead to osteoporosis. Symptoms include numbness, muscle spasms, and abnormal heart rhythms. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified plant milks are excellent sources. 5. Magnesium. Important for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, magnesium deficiency can result in muscle cramps, mental disorders, and osteoporosis. Nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy green vegetables are rich in magnesium. 6. Iodine. Iodine is vital for thyroid function, which regulates metabolism. Deficiency can cause goiter, hypothyroidism, and developmental issues in children. Seafood, dairy, and iodized salt are primary sources of iodine. 7. Vitamin A. Essential for vision, immune function, and reproduction, vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness and increase the risk of infections. It is found in liver, fish, and dairy products, as well as in beta-carotene-rich vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes. To address these deficiencies, it's important to have a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods. In some cases, supplements might be necessary, but it's best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplementation. Regular checkups and blood tests can help identify and correct nutrient deficiencies before they cause significant health problems. By ensuring a well-rounded diet and being mindful of potential deficiencies, we can maintain better overall health and well-being.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.